Hey there, fellow riders. Keeping your bike in top shape isn't just about performance. It's about safety and making sure your ride lasts for years to come. Today, we'll walk through the top Motul products that will help you keep your bike running like new. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's kick things off by introducing the essentials. To keep your bike in peak condition, it's all about using the right products. Motul's Brake Clean, Carbu Clean and Easy Lube are perfect for maintaining those vital parts like brakes and mechanical systems. Think of these as your bike's best friend. All right, first up, let's tackle the intake system cleaning, especially important for off-road and vintage bikes. Start by removing the air filter and firing up the engine. A few sprays of Motul's Carbu Clean into the intake manifold will work wonders. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then fire up the engine again and spray once more. A quick wipe with a microfiber and you're all set. Next, we're moving on to one of the most crucial steps, cleaning the brakes. Now place your bike on a stable stand to keep it secure. Then grab your Motul Brake Clean, give it a good shake and generously spray it all over the brake discs and calipers. You want to cover every surface to make sure nothing is left behind. With everything cleaned, it's time to keep things moving smoothly. Motul's Easy Lube is your go-to for lubricating all those moving parts, from pivot points to footrests and even the clutch and brake levers. Just a quick spray and you're good to go. But don't forget to wipe off any extra, keep it neat and tidy. Okay, so you're grabbing your Easy Lube and you're just spraying all of those moving parts and taking a microfiber cloth just to protect the rest of your bike that you don't want sprayed. And you've also got a more focused nodules to get into those harder to reach areas, like your clutch and also your brake lever. And just like that, you've given your bike the care it deserves. Now, keeping up with regular maintenance doesn't just keep your bike looking great, it keeps you safe and ensure your bike performs at its best for years to come. Now, with Motul, you've got everything you need to keep your ride as smooth as the day you bought it. So ride safe, and I'll see you next time.